Kap. Hello, shoutout. Yan, kasama natin si Kap, Bobet.
Grey ball, grey ball.
Ponce. Maraming salamat po. Alright, official score is 52. 25. Para sa mga dito sa San Juan especially ito Barangay 11.
Single.
Kaya kasama natin si Sherman.
Steal.
Hey Sherman. Number 11. No good. Uy!
Whoa. Shot clock 10 seconds.
There's a foul.
Third personal foul. First team foul. Ten seconds to shoot.
Gonna steal. Jump shot, no good.
Steal.
No good. Boy, there's a foul.
On jersey number 11, Gonzalez. Fourth personal foul warning. Second team foul.
Time remaining 8 minutes and 52.
Backcourt violation.
It's a backcourt
Blue ball.
violation. Sayang. Fade away, bang!
Yeah. Easy, 2 points.
Oh, another steal. Nakarga over si Santos. Number 3.
Steal.
Number 10. No.
Wala pa rin. Isa pa. Wala pa rin.
Nakakashoot din.
Great team.
Time out, Gray. Official score is 56-25. Time out muna ang Gray. Tingnan natin ang kanilang huddle for this time out.
Back to the ball game. Official score 56-25. 31-point lead. Blue team. Ball possession, Gray.
Wala rito ng Gray. 7 minutes and 47. Asuoli.
Sige na, Russell. Baba mo na yan. Baba mo na sa ibo na yan. Baba mo na sa ibo na yan. 10 seconds to shoot. Still. Out of bounds. Blue ball.
Bola ng blue.
Steal. Steal again. Out of bounds, same ball. Shot clock 9 seconds. Steal.
Four, no good.
Steal.
Steal by Oli.
Another steal.
Oh,
Easy,
no,
2
that's up.
points.
58-25.
Ayun na. Gracia, pagod na si Rosel. Gracia. Steal.
Oy, no good.
Wala pa rin.
So, oh, good. Oy, sayang.
Out of bounds.
Para ba?
Play ball.
Pero ay ball.
Oh. Oh. Shot clock 10 seconds.
Good.
5-minute mark.
Stop.
Kaya pa yan, great team. Tiwala lang kay Rosel. Pasok na po, players. Pasok po, pasok. Sub lang po. Gray ball, gray ball.
Oy, steal.
Steal. Gonzalez. 2 points. Out of bounds, blue ball. Steal. Out of bounds, blue ball. Easy, 2 points. steal.
Uy, wala.
2 points. Another steal.
Pwede.
Oh. Gonzalez, 2 points.
Gonzalez.
Steal again. Another steal. Infante, 3 points.
3 points for Infante. May lamang
Shot clock 8 seconds.
basket. Ano lang.
Oh, steal.
And a steal. Short basket.
Sige. Maraming try yan. Maraming try.
Oh, one try
Yun.
lang. Tagal pa tagal ng oras. Last 50 seconds. Sabas. Oy. Oh, good.
Steal.
Oy. Wala. Oh, another steal.
Gina G, si Pachot.
Oy, wala. May pacho.
Time remaining 11 seconds.
Wow. Long two.
5 seconds.
Last 5 seconds. Power. 3, 2, 1. And that's the end of our third quarter.
And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 77-29. Big lead, blue team.
Eh, shout out po. Eh, sila Mami Buen eh. Alright, end of that third quarter. Official score 77-29. Meron pa ba? Meron pa? Eh, shout out mo tayo. Shout out, shout out. Kaya ko rin mo. Eh, Alright, second quarter tayo. Fourth and last quarter. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol dito ang team na Oli. Ayan, shoutout kay Kap.
Start of our fourth
And SK
quarter.
Sherman. Ay,
Blue ball.
Thank you, thank you. Kailangan rin namin yan. Thank you, SK. Running shot. No. Rebound. And by Casiao.
Steal.
Steal by number 10.
Whoa! 2 points.
Well, by Cruz. Ilaban Gray. Santos running shot. No.
Out of bounds. Blue ball.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 9 minutes and 22.
Steal by Russell.
Oh, isa.
Shot clock 10 seconds. Wala pa rin, Russell.
Oh, good. Wala.
Out of bounds. Same ball. Shot clock 13 seconds.
Nice,
Steal by
man.
Nagnat. Steal again.
Oh, good. Rebound by number 16. Short. Number 4.
82 points. Russell, baba ka na daw. Sa ibuna daw.
Good.
Nag-aapang na yung import nyo. Ayan, shoot mo na dyan! Shoot mo na dyan! Ayaw naman i-shoot ni Russell eh. Ay, ayaw pa rin. Wala pa rin talaga. Sige. Yun.
Running shot. No. For 3. No good. Rebound by Casiao.
Oh, bigay daw. Yan, baba na. Baba mo na sa ibuna, Russell. Wala pa rin. Kulang ata sa waffle.
Oy, good.
Ayun na.
Si Russell
Ayun na.
Oy, wala foul.
Grabe naman to. Inaano yung bata. 2 points.
Give up na yung bata mo. Give up na yung bata mo, boy.
Time out. Great team.
I'm a great team. Nadal ng Gray.
Back to the holding. Same ball.
Yeah.
2 points.
May number 8. Hoy.
Out of bounds, gray ball.
Oli, no good. Number 8, wala. Isa pa. Tira mo, shoot mo, shoot
Beo po
mo.
kayo, Be. Beo po kayo. Russell, upo kayo. Upo kayo. Be, upo ka. Sige na. Baba mo na yan, nag. Salamat. Sige, shoot mo na yan. Wala pa rin eh. Isa pa, nag.
Isa pa. Yeah. Outlet. Number 15. Hoy.
2 points.
Basket.
Tating, yun na.
Bigising. $39.87. 4-3. Bam! 3. By number 17.
Wala pa rin. Sige, shoot mo na yan. Yun.
Pagod na. Wala pa rin. Oy, wala.
10 seconds to
Gusto
shoot.
3 points. Ayan na. Short.
Wala pa rin. Yun. Go. Tuloy lang.
House of si Russell. Basket. For Santos.
Jayden, sandan, Jayden!
Substitution. Pasok, Russell. Pasok. Sino?
Okay, pasok na.
Sino?
Okay, pasok
Sige,
na.
pasok. Pumasok na kayo lahat. Choice. Blue team, 6 kayo. Blue team, 6 kayo. Okay.
Naano kayo pamangkin ko dyan eh. Yung 13. Okay lang. Okay, taga dyan sa pamangkin. Kaya ako lang kapatid ko. Lalaki. Yung isa nagba-volleyball.
Oh! Sige na, Russell, shoot mo na yan.
Kailangan rin.
Sige na. Sige. Oh, volleyball na lang. Sige.
Wow! Sayang.
Dito,
45-92.
Sige, Russell, baba mo na yan. Sige.
Oh, baka kumawa 100 nyo. Kaya nyo ba yung 100?
Sige.
Okay, baba muli. Lalo.
Substitution.
Kasyaw coming in. Number 5, basket.
2 points.
Apat na lang. Apat na lang mo. Seconds na lang.
Steal.
Oy! Walang patahon. Wala pa rin. Short.
Wala pa rin.
Wala. Ayan na,
Oh,
wala
wala
pa
pa rin.
rin. Canlas, 4-3. Wala.
Wala pa rin. Isa pa. 2 points.
Dalawa na lang. 100 na sila. Last 20 seconds. Ubus na oras. Oh, si Russell. Let's go, Russell. Oh, boy. Boy.
Russell, Peter. Sige.
Oy, oy.
Sige. Ay, nako. Pinaiyak mo yung bata.
Canlas. Wala. Wala. Oh,
And that's the end of our ball game.
Wala ta-
Official score,
wala tayo ngayon.
98-45. Congratulations, Blue Team.
Talo kayo. Alright, congratulations. Handshake, handshake. A nice game. Alright, our final score 98-45 dun sa pagtatapos ng ating laban. Congrats. And shoutout. Ayan sa ating mga SK Council. SK, hello. Ay, busy oh. Busy ang ating punong SK Chairman, Mrs. Reyes. Ayan. Alright, and that's a wrap. Magkita-kita po tayo for our next time. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. And happy birthday! Ayun oh, the birthday boy. Hanggang sa muli.